Hello guys, before we start our video, Happy New Year 2018. Thank you for your love and support. And guys, today's video is about Windows 8.1 sticky notes. So I'm gonna show you how to use that. You can search over here, right over here. Why this option is not coming? Yeah, over here you can search. Yeah, you can go to your Windows and click this down arrow, and you can find over here application is free in Windows. And where the hell is gone sticky notes? Sorry guys, wait a second, I will not take your long precious time. Yeah, so there you go. Just click on this. So how to use this sticky notes? What you have to do is, if you like anything like a dance, so that's all. If you want more place, you can just click over for more place. And so if you want to, if you don't want more to use sticky notes, are you sure you want to delete this? You can click yes. Don't ask me again for this message. Click yes or no if you want to delete. Yes. So that's all. And once again, Happy New Year guys, and I will see you next time. Peace out. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.